Welcome back, astronomical learners, to our YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about the letter Y because I know it can sometimes be confusing. So if you have any questions, go ahead and write them down or you can put them in the comments. But if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so first off, when we talk about this letter Y, the first way we want to teach this is the consonant way, which is Y. Just like in yellow, yard, yogurt, yo-yo. Get that Y sound strong in your student's mind, associating it with Y. Once they know this consonant sound, then it's going to be easier to differentiate when we have some interesting aspects. So you want to first introduce it as sometimes pronounced as I. This is what we grew up saying, like Y, is a vowel sometimes. So you want to understand that sometimes it is pronounced as I, and it's usually at the end. So we have by my sky, and you want to explain how, when you use this and when you notice it, make sure, yes, we know it's a Y, but it's pronounced as an I at this time. And then you also want to introduce it after that as also pronounced as E. So notice how these words are shorter and more decodable. And you might understand these as heart words, because if you know the B, you can understand, okay, well, sometimes it's I. These words are longer, and so they are going to be a little bit more advanced for your student. So that's why we want to introduce this, not necessarily last, but once they've understood that it's a consonant and sometimes pronounced as I, then understand that it's sometimes pronounced as E, like in the word mommy, pretty, lady. So once again, thank you for watching this video. You can pause it and go back at any time, review it anytime, and look forward for future videos where I'll explain more about some difficult concepts.